Well, we are talking fall fashion today, and I wanted to show you some new things that I have purchased. I shared a few of these on Instagram when I first saw them, and then I went ahead and purchased a few because I had a couple of events to go to this past weekend. So that's what I had in mind. So these are going to be kind of dressy casual outfits, but then also things you could dress up to wear to the office or to church or any other event that you have to go to, and I'll share what I ended up wearing. All right, first is this shirt. You may remember this when I shared it on Instagram in that collage. I thought it was so pretty. I do have to say it's a little more orange in person, and we are having a very rainy day, so I am dealing with all the light that I have. Hopefully I can lighten this up for you and it'll be true to color, but in person it is more orange. I don't know if you could see that. It kind of looks a little more rusty orange on the website, but it definitely has this beautiful sheen. It's long sleeve, buttons all the way down. I just thought it was so pretty. As soon as I tried it on, I loved it. And I really loved it with these wide leg jeans. So this is what I had thought. As soon as I put it on, I was like, man, this is a perfect outfit for me. I love it. I've been wearing these wide leg jeans a lot. I had worn them, I think, maybe that night to a friend's house, and just with like a short sleeve shirt. You could wear it with like a t-shirt. I bought them back in the spring. They still have them in a few different washes, but I thought this outfit was great. Very fall. I paired it actually with this necklace, but when that's what you're seeing there. This is from J. Crew Factory. When I went to link it, I didn't see it on their site anymore, but you may still be able to find it in stores. Anyway, really like the shirt. I'm wearing a size small, fits perfect. I do believe it comes in some solid colors as well. I think for most of the outfits, I have on these pretty new shoes. And it was funny because I was just looking for something similar like this, like kind of fall, this color. All my other shoes like this are either sandals or full pumps. I didn't have any of these like mule type heels, and I didn't realize how popular they were. They come in a lot of other colors, but I did find them still at two retailers for you, and I will link those below. And again, link everything in the comments. These were so comfortable. Now, not just standing for a long time. I was standing kind of like on hard concrete for quite a while. My feet started to hurt, but walking around and stuff like that, they are surprisingly comfortable. They're not too high. Again, love the pointed toe. I think that's really pretty. Just a very pretty fall shoe. Again, these are very comfortable, have a lot of padding if you're not just standing around. But you can walk in them fine. And then this is another favorite of mine. As soon as I saw this, I thought this would go with so many things. You're going to see further in the video, I paired this with a few other items. It is very thick, however, so if you live in a warmer climate, you may not be able to get much use out of this, but it is great if you just want to drape it over your shoulders, which I did that in another clip as well. So you can see it has this brown faux suede kind of trim. You know, it's the lady jacket style, which has been very popular the last couple of years. I just love the gold buttons in the trim. I feel like it really just sets this off, and I like how you can dress it up or casual. So in this, I'm wearing it casual with the t-shirt. That's probably how I would like to wear it. It just feels more me, but I knew I might want to pair this for a casual night of one of the events. And I just kept on those same shoes, but it would look really great with these. These did not come in time for me to share them with you, but how pretty are these? Love the pointed toe, great ankle boot. This would look great with the faux leather pants that I'm going to share. It would look great with skirts. Just really nice shoe and comfortable too. Probably need broken in a little bit. And then this is the bag. I had shared in a previous video that I had purchased a bag and I wasn't sure between this one and another one. This was definitely the one I kept. It's the one I kept leaning towards. I thought I would get more use out of. I love that it has the top handle plus the strap. It's just the perfect fall color. And again, it holds quite a bit. This exact one is no longer available, but they have one very similar. It's just the way the lock and everything is different. So I will link that one for you. Again, it looks almost identical. I just love the contrast with all that, with the white shirt, the sweater draped over. Again, like I said, if you had those boots or shoes, and I think it looks great with the wide leg denim. So if you're wanting to pair something with wide leg denim, why can I not say that? I would do something short. You probably have already seen on Instagram, I posted what I ended up wearing was with a black blazer with those denim. But I think because it wasn't too oversized, it still worked. But for me personally. I like something tucked in, showing the waist, showing the high waisted, to make those proportions good. So next is just keeping with that same sweater, and I have it on with some faux leather pants. These pants are great. I ended up not bringing them because we had a little bit of a heat wave. I saw the temperatures kept going up and up for that weekend, even though it was the first weekend of fall, and I was hoping to incorporate some fall color and style without looking full on wintry. So I didn't end up keeping these or bringing them with me. It's one of those, like, I could see myself purchasing them again, put it that way. But right now, I didn't have anything where I needed to wear them. So I hate to hold on to things that I'm not going to wear, but these pants are so comfortable. Beautiful, beautiful, soft faux leather. I just thought they were so flattering, so comfortable. They hit at just the right spot. I believe they do come in petites as well. Most of these items that I'm sharing do. And again, I had it a little bit dressy with the sweater and the pants. So this was kind of me as an actual try on too. I was literally trying to figure out what I might wear, what I could pair with these things to give me different looks. I didn't want to look too dressy or business, but anyway, just had, kind of some outfit ideas as they were rolling through too. That's what you're seeing. So I just put on a really thin black sweater, kept it very simple. This is definitely something you can wear to the office, as was with the sweater with these pants, depending on what kind of office you work in, obviously. But I feel like the brown faux leather tones it down so they don't look so much like scream faux leather. And to me, I feel like definitely putting a blazer with it, like I do in the next clip, or a sweater, it just keeps it more business looking and more elevated and polished. I really love these pants, guys. I mean, if you are looking for something like this, the color is perfect, the fit is perfect, everything. So this is on to my original outfit idea. I wasn't sure what color of top, like I had seen some inspiration with this color of faux leather skirt. So I thought, you know what? I have a couple of things. I have navy, I have black. Let me try that, see what I think. So I first tried it on with this navy, and I didn't love this particular sweater vest with it. However, I do like the color. So I thought this was very pretty. However, the skirt, and I tried it on in two different things. So I got a 6 regular because that's my normal size. It fit perfect. But I also thought, let me get a petite, just because I didn't know how long it was going to be or how it would fit in the waist. That did not fit right. So that one wasn't good. However, it is so high waisted. Now, I am very short waisted, even though I'm 5'5", I'm very short waisted. So if you are short waisted, keep that in mind. It went up very high, so you will have to play with proportions. I didn't think tucking something in to show the belt looked as good as having it out a little bit, or just maybe showing the buckle of the belt. Of course, you could remove the belt if you wanted, but to me, I like that it gave it a little something. So I hated to not show it at all, but I think just being so high waist on me, the proportions were a little off. So I did not keep this skirt, although I loved it. I wanted to, because it was definitely one of my original outfit ideas. I just thought with a sleeveless tank or sweater, it would just look so good in like kind of that fall transition. And then you can see I just paired it with the black sleeveless sweater, which I probably liked that particular one better. Just the material, it's a little bit thinner, not as thick. There was just something off, and maybe because I hadn't self-tanned or anything yet too, so I felt like I just looked so pale. I don't mind certain times of the year, but when I'm showing that much skin, like, my legs or my arms, I definitely like to have some self tanner going. I feel like my eyes will automatically go to things. We all pick out things like that on ourselves. So anyway, that could have been it too. So I ended up pairing it with this sweater again, because I thought, you know what, that's a pretty dressed up look, but it was definitely very dressy, not my vibe at all. It kind of felt too stuffy. I definitely felt like I needed to go to church or like a meeting or something in it, which was not the look I was going for. It looks good if that's what you're doing, but it wasn't what I was feeling. So I wanted to throw in the skirt here. This is the one. It came too late I did do a little video in my closet try on. It came too late for the video I'd already shown. And this was the one I hesitated ordering because it's so expensive, but it's a faux suede. So it moves a little better. However, I don't know why, but I sized up in it. I don't know if like reviews or the brand or something made me do that. I don't know what I was thinking. And then it ended up being a little too big because it only has like a couple little button closure on the side, not real snug. They're like elastic button on the side. And then you thread the belt through the loops, and that's how you can keep tightening it. And I just felt like it kept loosening up on me, and I had to keep tightening it. I so wish I would have bought it my normal size 6. However, it is, like I said, expensive. I was like, God, can I justify this? But it is such a beautiful piece. Like the inside is satiny lined. Again, it just flows great. I liked the color. The color was a little darker than the faux leather. I didn't mind that. Again, I tried it on with some black boots because, and a black high neck tank, because I just thought that would really look good. And that was kind of the look I was going for. I wish I would have had these. They didn't come till later that night, and we were leaving literally the next morning. So it didn't matter because I ended up, because of the kind of weather change, I didn't end up taking a boot with me that I had planned on. I took those heels. So anyway, I think it would have looked great with these boots, kind of to elongate, keep that color going instead of breaking it up with the black. I didn't mind the black. I thought it looked cute. Would definitely go with like a faux leather jacket or something on as well with it. But anyway, I wish I would have had these because I think that would have looked great. And none of my shoes, it was so odd. I didn't have a pair of brown suede like or just brown heeled shoes. Can you believe that? All of them are like taupe or nude, or, and when I tried those on with it, it just looked off. It definitely needed something, to me, I feel like, that kept the color going. What I did end up wearing was this shirt the first night. I didn't get a picture in it because I was going to wear it with those high-waisted jeans. So we had like a dinner and things to go to the first night. It was kind of casual, but I was like, oh, I'm definitely wearing this. Well, I ended up wearing it just with a different pair of jeans and these shoes. And they were more like ankle length jeans, so you could see the shoe really well, and it looked great. And then I took that brown bag. Because what I ended up doing, I brought several outfits with me, not knowing, because the place we were having it was my husband's high school reunion. The place we were having it was kind of throwing me off, and the weather was throwing me off. I ended up wearing those wide leg jeans, and I'll throw in a picture here. Like I said, I already posted it on Instagram with a blazer because I knew I had a couple of things in mind. I thought, if anything, I will wear jeans and a blazer. I always feel good in that. It's a little dressy because that was kind of the dress code, like dressy casual, which, you know, is all over the place and you're going to see everything at events like that. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to wear them the night before on Friday night if I'm going to wear them on Saturday night. So I had to switch up and put on another pair of jeans with these. But I ended up bringing out my just standard black blazer. I think this is actually like part of a suit. I will link a few options for you below, but it was a more fitted blazer. I definitely think if you're going to wear wide leg jeans, I would get a shorter or more fitted blazer just to keep all the proportion. If you're going to wear more like a regular jean or almost like a skinny or anything like that, then you could definitely wear an oversized blazer, because I did take this blazer and I was going to wear it with some different jeans just in case. But it was one of those, I tried on the high neck tank with the jeans because I loved that on its own. Again, like I said, keeping those proportions, something tucked in. And I thought, you know what? I can try on a big statement necklace and throw on the blazer. And I loved it. So I'm like, this is what I'm wearing for Saturday. I don't know that it photographed as well as I felt like I looked and felt in it when I looked in the mirror, but I still liked it. So I hope this gives you guys some outfit ideas for work or occasions for this fall. Definitely some fall transition maybe. I will link everything for you below with sizing. I will also pin it to the comments so you can find it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.